How to use the extension. To use the extension is simple. There are only 3 steps to follow. Step 1. If you are first time to use the extension, firstly, right-click the puzzle piece icon at the upper right-hand corner of the browser, that is Edge or Chrome. Click on Extension menu of the extension and select Options menu item to open the Options page. Step 2. Select the desired options in Options page, such as voice to use, speed of the voice, display pop-up window to display the contents of speak, horizontal ellipsis, etc. Step 3. After set up the options, you can open the page you want to speak in a new tab directly. Then drag and select the text contents you want to speak with, or if you enabled the Enable Mouse Middle Click Paragraph Auto Selection in Options page, you may use the Quick Select Paragraphs with middle clicks. Then right-click on selected text contents to open the context menu. Click on Speak Selected Contents. It will start speaking immediately.